Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel Sapna's Yoga Diary. So this is day 4 and I am teaching you yoga from zero, from scratch. So if you are new, you do not know where to start from, this is your source. Start from day 1 video. Alright, let's begin the day 4 practice. We are learning Yogic Sukshma Vyayam. Keep your head straight, eyes open, feet together. Focus on your throat. Breathe deep and loud. Relax. Now, move your head side to side as freely as is comfortable to you, keeping your breath normal, natural. Just move side to side to side. Now, up and down, breathing normal, natural. Just see how comfortable you are in moving your head backward and forward. Now start rotating, one clockwise movement, one anti-clockwise movement. Cover 5 rotations, 5 clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise, 1 clockwise, 1 anti-clockwise. Breathing normal, natural. Now extend your arms in front of you, fingers together. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Movement happens from the wrist. Inhale up, exhale down. Now bring the arms at shoulder level and again repeat the same movement. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Remember, movement happens only from the wrist. The elbows should not move up and down. Now again extend your arms forward, fingers apart. Stretch your fingers apart. Inhale up, exhale down. Now again bend your arm from the elbow, place it at shoulder level. Inhale up, exhale down, fingers apart. Again extend your arms forward, this time clench your fist, thumb in, folded with the 4 fingers. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now again place it at shoulder level, bending from the elbows. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Now start rotating your fist from the wrist, extending your arms forward. Breathing normal, natural. Now reverse the direction. Good. Now as you inhale, you will move your arms up sideways. As you exhale, you will bring your arms down. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. Relax. Now clench your fist, thumb in folded with the forefingers. Deep inhale, hold the breath and rotate your arm in the forward direction, retaining the breath inside. The moment you feel you're not comfortable, you will release with exhalation. Deep inhale and rotate, retaining the breath inside for as long as is comfortable. You can rotate slow, you can rotate fast as is comfortable to you. The moment you feel you are not comfortable holding the breath, bring the fist in front of the chest and exhale with force. Relax. Relax. Let the breath be normal and repeat the same thing in the reverse direction. This time you are going to rotate backward. So clench your fist, deep inhale, hold the breath and rotate in the reverse direction. Relax. Now keep your feet together, head straight. Take your arms up, bend back from the upper body, inhale. Exhale, return. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale, return. Keep moving. Relax. Next, keep your feet together, swing your arms back, opening your chest and shoulder. Exhale, return. Inhale, swing back. Exhale, return. Keep moving. From the back, it will look like this. Next, clench your fist with the right hand, hold it back with the left, keep it in the middle of your back, feet together, eyes open. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. Keep moving. Inhale up in the center, switch your arms and repeat. Inhale back, exhale forward. Come in the center, inhale, exhale, relax. Now open your legs wide and comfortable, toes pointing outward, press your heels down, palms on your waist, thumb in front, forefingers back, rolling your shoulders backward. Inhale, bend back, exhale, bend forward. Inhale up in the center, exhale, release. Feet together, arms opening sideways. Lock your arms on the sides. Deep inhale in the center, exhale, bend on the right side. Inhale back to the center, exhale on the left. Remember, movement is happening from your waistline. Arms will remain in the same position. Inhale center, exhale side. Relax. Now, shoulder level distance between the feet. Extend your arms forward, fingers together. Rapidly twist back, gazing at the thumb of the back hand. Constant twisting, constant exhalation, like it happens in Kapalbhati. Twist, 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 twist. Exhale, 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 exhale. Relax. Next, in the next practice, as you inhale, you will open your arms and legs. As you exhale, you will close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Inhale, open, exhale, close. Relax. Next, in the next practice, you are going to keep your feet together, extend your arms in front of you, fingers together. Inhale, as you exhale, bend down. Maximum bending will be when your thighs become parallel to the mat. Hold. Hold 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale slowly up. Exhale, release. Next, balance with one foot. Lift the other one up and rotate the foot from the ankle. 3, 4, 5. Breathing normal, natural. 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Remember, here back has to be straight. Once you are done with 10 rounds, relax and repeat the same thing with the other foot. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down. Feet together with every count. Lift your heels up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Relax. Relax in Shavasana with your legs apart, head, neck, spine in one straight line, arms 2 inches away from the body, palm facing the sky, body in the state of relaxation. Allow your whole body to relax in Shavasana. Relax. Keep your entire body loose, still. Relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we will be practicing the belly breathing that I have taught you earlier. Belly breathing and chest breathing for 5 counts each. So let's begin with the belly breathing. For belly breathing, you will place your palms on your belly across your navel. As you inhale, move your belly up. As you exhale, slowly bring the belly down. 5, Inhale slowly, belly up. Exhale slowly, belly down. 4. Inhale slowly, belly up. Exhale slowly, belly down. 3. Inhale slowly, belly up. Exhale slowly, belly down. One more. Inhale slowly, belly up. Exhale slowly, belly down. Now, let's continue with chest breathing. Place your palms on your chest. Remember, here the belly does not move up and down vertically. In chest breathing, the chest moves horizontally up and down. Okay? So as you inhale, move your chest towards the chin. Inhale up. Exhale slowly, chest down to its position. 5. Inhale, chest up towards the chin. Exhale slowly, chest down. 4. Inhale slowly, chest up. Exhale slowly, chest down. 3. Inhale slowly, chest up. Exhale slowly, chest down. 2. Inhale slowly, chest up. Exhale slowly, chest down. Relax. Place your arms back to their places. Feel the impact of the practice on your body and mind. You will feel totally relaxed physically. Mentally, you will feel calm. I hope you enjoyed today's practice and you are learning day by day. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe to my channel. And yes, I will see you in the next video with day 5 practice. Till then, namaste.